Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education Channel. Let us continue the lesson in the kingdom of foods. In our previous session we came to know that the king ordered to execute the disciple because he was fit enough to the stake. Then disciple recalled or remembered the words of his guru, and also he prayed his guru in his heart. Then guru saw everything in his vision. He arrived there. Guru had magical power. He had seen everything and he arrived there, and he whispered something in the ear of disciple, and after that he asked the king, who is greater, whether the guru or disciple? Then king replied, there is no doubt guru is greater. Then guru said, then you execute me first, after me you execute my disciple. Like that guru said, and the disciple then understood the trick, and he started to shout in a loud voice. He said, me first, you brought me first, put me to death first, not him. Like that he started to scream. Now let's continue the lesson. The guru and disciple now got into fight about who should go first. The king was puzzled by this behavior. He asked the guru, why do you want to die? We chose him because we needed a fat man for the stake. Yes, the guru and disciple now got into fight about who should go first, who should be executed first. About that they were fighting, they were quarreling. The king was puzzled, the king was confused by this behavior. He asked the guru, why do you want to die? We chose the disciple because we needed a fat man for the stake. Then guru replied to the king, you shouldn't ask me such questions. Put me to death first, replied the guru. He said, you shouldn't ask me such questions. Put me to death first, guru said. Why? There is some mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. Why I have to put you to death first? I think there is something mystery here. As a wise man, you must make me understand. You tell me about that mystery. Then guru said, will you promise me to put me to death if I tell you? Asked the guru. Then guru asked him, king, will you promise me to put me to death first if I tell you? The king gave him solemn word. Then king gave him solemn word. Solemn means deeply serious. Seriously he promised. The guru took him aside out of the servant's earshot and whispered to him. Then guru took the king aside out of the servant's earshot. The servant should not hear their conversation. To such place, guru took this king and whispered to him in a low voice. The guru said to the king, do you know why we want to die right now? The two of us. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or a king like you. The stake is the stake of God of justice. It is new. It has never had a criminal on it. Whoever dies on it first will be reborn as the king of this country, and whoever goes next will be the future minister of this country. And Guru said to the king, do you know why we want to die right now? Two of us. We have been all over the world, but we have never found a city like this or king like you. The stake is the stake of God of justice. The new stake. It is the stake of God of justice. It is new. It has never had a criminal on it. It is the new one. It has never had a criminal on it. No one was executed on that stake. Okay. And whoever dies on it first will reborn as the king of this country. So, whoever dies on that stake first will reborn as the king of this country, and whoever goes next will be future minister of this country in their next birth. Okay, that person is going to become minister of this country. Okay, whoever dies first, that person will become king. Whoever dies next on that stake will become minister of the country in their next birth. We are sick of our ascetic life. It would be nice to enjoy ourselves as king and minister for a while. Now we are sick of this ascetic life. Ascetic means relating to the ascetics characterized by rigorous self-denial and self-discipline. Ascetic life means life of sannyasi, which is very strict and self-disciplined life. So we are bored of this ascetic life. So we are going to enjoy our lives as king and minister in our next birth. Now keep your word, my lord, and put us to death. Me first, remember. And after telling this, Guru said, now keep your word, my lord. Put us to death. Me first, remember. Put me to death first, remember, he said. The king was now thrown into deep thought. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He needed time, so he ordered the execution postponed to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. See, the king was now thrown into deep thought. He started to think about that. He didn't want to lose the kingdom to someone else in the next round of life. He didn't want to lose his kingdom in the next round of life. He needed time, that's why he ordered the execution postponed to the next day. They postponed the execution to the next day and talked in secret with his minister. And king talked with his minister secretly. It is not right for us to give over the kingdom to others in the next life. Let us go on the stake ourselves and we will be reborn as king and minister again. He said to the minister, it is not right for us to give our kingdom to others in the next life. Let's go on the stake ourselves and we will reborn as king and minister. Holy men do not tell lies. He said, and the minister agreed. And this holy man, holy men do not tell lies. So we can believe the holy man. So let us go for the stake. Okay, let us go for the stake ourselves. Like this, king said to the minister, and minister also agreed for that. Okay, let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.